Namaskara, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. As we are know, waste decomposer we are using on the physics. Today I want to highlight more points, more advancement, development in use of waste decomposer and other plants. Waste decomposer is giving no doubt good results, but not up to highest mark as the commercial people wants. The problem in the field in fish cultivation is water, toxicity of water. Due to our keeping of fishes in the pond, it releases waste. Waste contains your ammonia, nitrates, and water quality is also composed of water consists your some of the pathogenic bacteria. To overcome with this, we are using different types of chemicals. Lot of chemicals we are using. I have seen in Odisha, people are importing the chemicals from the outside on the name of bacteria. Some bacteria they are using it, Azospilium hyphanthon, and even then they are not getting the results up to the mark. Lot of people are claiming to use others bacteria, but their results is not very visible. Although you are using for the sake, but the results is not good. Use of chemicals also, excess chemicals has a side effect, not only to the water, it is also to our fishes, and expending of lakhs of rupees, even the results are not very good. Some extent it is controlled, some extent it is not. So we are doing all remedies. So last 3 years, 4 years, this waste decomposer some people are using in Andhra, using in Odisha, coastal area, in Maharashtra, and in land, mainland also pond they have used it, and they have got the good results. They have reported some increase of weight and some reduction in your water toxicity. This is not enough, but from so many years I was trying to come up with the new things which can soft our water quality, or it can turn is in Amrit. When I am telling Amrit, Amrit means no toxicity, no pathogens, no other heavy metals or any other excess things which harms the human being or your fishes. As I am habitual and firm believe on the Vedas, I used to read the Vedas, and from there I am extracting as a scientific way what is needed for the agriculture, what is needed for your horticulture, what is needed for your animals. People are taking some medicine composition from there only, and they make some permutation combination and sell as a Vedic, your Ayurvedic preparation. Some are, others are taking it in a plant way. I am studying from the plant point of view and making combination with the bacteria. So I am showing you, this is the Atharvaveda. This is Atharvaveda, I used to read it because it contains all medicines, medicinal value plants, and treatment it has given. So that is very useful if you read it and take it as a positive and as a deep meaning. So, one thing for the cleaning of the water, for removing toxicity, I have just tell you the one Saptam Sutram of this our Atharvaved. I will just reading it. It is written one our medicinal plant, that is Varna. Varna is a plant which has a medicinal value. It has written Varnavatyam Adhi, means Varna is a plant which has got a medicinal value. Idam var varite. If you take its juice and put it in the water, it removes the toxicity of the water. In Hindi, what is written? यह रस जल विष को दूर करता है, अर्थात means its extract, leaves extract, if you take and put in the water, even toxicity, whatever toxicity in the water, it removes. Then it is again that tat amritasya asitam. It is a source of amrit. Amrit means, in other words, scientific way say, is juice contains alkaloids. That is organic form. This alkaloids is very useful to removing the toxicity. Further it states, ten te visham varye. इससे आप जो है विष यानी कि पॉइजन, you can remove it. So this has been taken from Atharvaved. In my way, what I have did. When this plant contains amrit, means alkaloid. Alkaloid is produced by the bacteria, because we all know all the bacteria is present in plants, soil, environment, water, even in our body, which helps us in different ways. Formation of organisms, formation of organs, it is also creation of bacteria. So what I did, I have isolated this bacteria from this plant. You can also do it. You can take the plant. Only tough part is you have to make a combination in such a way so that that bacteria can grow in that food media. Recognition of your bacteria is the skill. I believe it is God gifted. Nowhere it is written, general procedure is everywhere, how to isolate the bacteria, but recognizing of bacteria which has no reference in anywhere, in any books, in any machines, it is a difficult task. It is only your devotion, it is your only target. With your mistakes, you are able to permutation. If you do, you will get the right things. Same thing is happened with me. I have got this useful bacteria, and that bacteria is further multiplied to whatever alkaloid is present in your juice of the plant. This plant is available everywhere. It is so many names. Varna plant. So that bacteria, if you multiply, as they are creating the alkaloids, here also it releases your chemicals, organic chemicals, not chemicals, it is organic chemicals. So that helps in removing the toxicity. Simple way what you do, you take the plant, I have told you plant, you can see the difference in the internet, you will get everything. You take 2-3 kgs of leaves, extract it, make a juice, and that juice you put in the water and with the fish. First you test your water and then put the fish. When its nitrogen is high, then you put this juice and see how much it has been reduced, how much it has been changed the nitrogen. It is simple way to test in your house. But it is firm. Whatever our Vedas is telling, it is correct. Some people say, it is written there in Vedas, you take this medicine, this plant and eat it, this disease will be removed. That is true. But the problem is, whatever plant you are getting in the market, whatever the jadi booty you are getting in the market, that is not up to the mark, because that is grown with the chemicals. And when you grow with the chemicals, what we call vish, what we call this, if you are putting the vish, you will get the plant in the vish. Just like chemical, if you are putting chemical, it is a toxicity, that will reflect in the plant, in the leaves, in the fruits, in the grains, in the flowers, everywhere. So whatever earlier my Veds, what they are doing, they are taking the plant from the forest. At that time, it is full of medicine. People used to take it. Now it has vanished. We are forced to grow in the lands and putting the chemicals, and for protecting them, we are using even pesticides, fungicides. So when you are putting pesticide, fungicide, their nutrition value, their electrolyte value will be reduced. It will full off with the side effects that will also contain the chemicals. So how you will get the results up to the mark? Simple way, if you are getting this one jadi booty from the forest and same thing you take from the outside, and see the difference, test it or consume it, you see the difference. If you are taking it from the jungles, that has more value and that will give you cure. So the same thing, if you are using it in your water, so how will you get the results? So one has to grow it without any chemicals. And any manure also you are putting, suppose cow dung we are telling, or any manure, that also must be organic. The animals must not eat your vegetables which has full of pesticides, full of chemicals. If you give to pure organic, means without any chemical, without anything, if you give the food, then you can see the quality of your manure, and that if you are using in the plant, so plant will get the extraordinary your medicinal value. Their alkaloids will be increased, their composition will be increased. If you use that one, that is useful. Otherwise, taking from the market, taking from the other place, it is not good. So that solution, if you take it, and simple test also you can do in your house, in your field, take a plastic your tub, and there you put the fish and water and put some drop of this juice and see the magical results. So our Rishi Munis, our people are well aware, thousands and thousands years back, what they have suggested, we have forgot, we are not taking it as such, and if we are taking it some part, so that it is not feasible because so much medicine, so much plants is not available. But here, when you are taking the bacteria from this, that is possible. Bacteria you can multiply and you will get the better results whatever you are getting with the plants, because there same bacteria is doing the same work whatever is doing in the plant, they will do in their multiplication, and whatever they release, this chemical composition will be very strong. If you are using these things in the large scale, in the pond, you can multiply this with the help of jaggery and use in 1 acre of the field, 1 acre of the plant every week and put your fish. After 3 treatment, you test your soil, water quality. You test your toxicity, ammonical present, then BOD, COD, or TDS, everything you can test. You will find very good quality of water. What good things you will get in the pond? Your fishes will be healthy. Your fish's digestion will improve. When digestion improve, uptake is increased, you can reduce the minerals. Whatever minerals you are putting, 25% you can reduce it. You will get the same results. All the probiotic or any chemicals what you are using for the disease control, you can stop it. You can put this Varna composition or Amrit, Machli Amrit, Fish Amrit, this medicine, and you see the excellent results. No need of any chemicals, costly chemicals to use in the pond. This will take care. Once you see the results, you can continue. What other indication you will get? When you are using this composition, you will see in the even winter, your fishes will jump in the water because they will get much more energy. Their blood circulation will be better. Their nutrition value will be high. And skin disease will be nowhere. Other things, weight of the fishes will increase. It is applicable for all types of fishes. Either it is your rohu, or your katla, or it is your prawn, or it is tiger prawn, or your whatever fishes you are telling, all fishes you can use it. You will get the uniform results. And taste wise, it will change. You will get better taste because when water soft, where there is no toxicity, taste will be changed. So this free from all diseases, you will get the material. It will also increase the dissolved oxygen. So during light, when the light is failure, even fish will not die. They will survive. 2-3 days it will survive without air. That you can test it. When you are continuously putting the air, if it is break, even then fish will not die. Because due to this water treatment, due to this your medicine, Amrit. It is Amrit. Why it is Amrit? Because it is removing your all toxicity. You try it and see the results. It is applicable in the big farm, big pond, small pond, or your close fish multiplication what you are doing. There you can use a small quantity. Results are uniform and miracles things will happen. So many things you can see in the field, so many positive things you will get once you are getting the results. Other thing, it will reduce the harvesting time. Scientists may not agree, but it is practical. Within at least 15 to 20 days less harvesting time will be occurring in this case. So when you get the results, you make the video, share video. Actually, a lot of people are already using this waste decomposer. They have got the result, but they are not sharing it. They're keeping it secret. So it is commercial way they are doing it. But here I request, when you are getting with results with this, it give the encourage to other. We have to think for the total, our India, all our people who are doing this, helping in our economy. They have to reduce the input cost and get the best results, and that is also good for the fish. We are ultimately, you are consuming it. So when good things will come, it will be positive things will happen to us also. Thank you very much.